Twixtor Standalone has some exciting new features that give you even more control over retiming your footage. You can now work with high frame rate and variable frame rate footage, create and fine-tune speed ramps, and retime your audio with pitch control to keep it sounding natural. We'll also take a look at fast and precise processing options and how to choose the best one for your footage. So let's jump in and take a look at what's new in Twixtor Standalone. Our first example is this high-speed clip of the horses running on the beach. Twixtor automatically reads the source frame rate when the clip is imported. Since this clip was recorded at a high frame rate, we can immediately create beautiful slow motion simply by choosing a lower output frame rate or adjusting the speed control. We can change the output to 60 frames per second, then change speed percentage to 50%. Because the camera captured so many real frames, the slow motion is incredibly smooth without needing additional interpolation. Twixtor includes two processing modes. Fast uses Twixtor's classic optical flow. Speed ramps let you smoothly transition between real-time playback and slow motion. Instead of one constant speed, you can control exactly where the action slows down and speeds back up. We can start at 400%, which is closer to real time, and slow to 50%, and then to 200%. Let's look at a different type of footage. Fast-moving subjects like ATVs are a great way to see how Twixtor creates smooth intermediate frames. We can slow to 10%. One of my favorite additions to Twixtor Standalone is audio retiming. We can play the original. Nowhere to be found. And speed it up with the pitch off. Without pitch correction, speeding up the audio raises its pitch, creating that familiar chipmunk effect. Now we can try it again with pitch on. Nowhere to be found. Seems you're having way too much fun. As you spin around, dance all day, dance all day. Pitch control preserves a much more natural sound while keeping the audio synchronized with the video. Modern smartphones often record using variable frame rate. Twixtor automatically detects VFR footage, normalizes it internally, and performs all retiming in one render for smoother playback. Twixtor Standalone makes it easy to create smooth slow motion from high-speed cameras and smartphones alike. With built-in AI processing, automatic variable frame rate support, speed ramps, audio pitch correction, and flexible export options, it's an efficient workflow for creating high-quality retimed footage without opening a host application.